my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make an origami penguin bookmark that I designed. So you can make the penguin fat or you can make him skinny, and you can even write a little note on his belly, which I think is really cute. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button to become a crafty friend, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the penguin bookmark, you're going to need a single square sheet of paper. First, you're going to take your sheet of paper and flip it around so that the color side is facing down towards the table. And then you're just going to fold it in half. Unfold. And now you're going to rotate it slightly and take this side over here and align it parallel to this vertical center crease. So you don't want to fold all the way like this. You just want to fold a little bit further away from the center. And this is going to create the penguin's belly. You want to do the same thing on this side. Try to make it parallel. And now let's take this flap over here and fold it right at that line over there. So I'm going to fold it straight down and crease it in. Unfold, and let's flip it around. And now let's take this tip and align it with that crease that you just made. Unfold. Then take this tip and align with this crease that you just made. Crease that in. Fold this back down. And then flip it around. Now we're just going to align this side with the vertical center crease. So you're going to fold up, crease that in, and repeat the same thing on this side. So fold it diagonally and crease it in. So now let's rotate it and then fold that top side straight down. So now let's gauge how tall we want the penguin to be. I want him to be right about over here because I like him to be kind of stubby. So I'm just going to fold him back right there. And then we're going to fold it back down like this. So when you tilt it to the side, it looks like a little zigzag. Now let's shape the penguin's body. So I'm going to fold this over here slightly back. Crease that in. And do the same thing on the left side. So if you flip it around, you're going to see there are two flaps that you just made, one over here and one over here. You want to take this and fold it straight back out just slightly. And this is going to create the penguin's wing. Do the same thing on this side, so fold it back just ever so slightly. Flip him around and draw his two little eyes. And now your penguin bookmark is completely done and he can join his little friends. Thanks for watching and for being a crafty friend. If you haven't already, be sure you hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell to be alerted of new videos when they come out. Check out some of my other origami bookmark tutorials as well. I have cats, dogs, unicorns, all sorts of stuff. I'll leave the playlist in the video description below so you can just click on it. If you want to support this channel, I am selling t-shirts and socks and all sorts of things that says hello my crafty friend on it, and that will be linked in the video description below as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!